Encountering the financial crisis, which is no longer just limited in the financial institute, but which becomes a national problem, the debt to GDP for Iceland in October 2008 was 8, and it started climbing up. The Iceland government tried to make loans from IMF and other European countries. So we found that in 2009, the Iceland have made huge loan from IMF, and the Iceland was the first industrialized country in 30 years which borrowed money from IMF. Besides IMF, Russian, Denmark, Norway central banks are all made huge loans for the Iceland government. The Central Bank of Iceland has also made some reformation on its credit channel. Dating back to May 2008, the Central Bank of Iceland has implemented new rules on lending, such as increasing the minimum credit rating from credit rating agency. Subordinate instruments were not accepted. After the nationalization of the three big banks, the Central Bank of Iceland requests further collateral from the other domestic financial companies due to the considerable decrease in value of collateral issued by the big banks previously. Besides the reformation on Central Bank's credit channel, fiscal policy reformation is also implemented. The Icelandic government will propose debt financing to support the fiscal stabilizer in order to relieve the recession. Given the huge debt increase by nationalizing the commercial banks and the expected reduction in tax revenue, it is assumed that the government expenditure will go up to 13.5% of GDP in 2009. The gross government debt will reach 109% of GDP by the end of 2009, while this figure in 2007 was just 29%. Reformation on the fiscal framework for a 4-year term is carried out, which aims at turning the structural deficit of 2 to 3% into surplus. It is expected to be achieved in 2011.